Hey guys, Tarun here from Miners Gateway. So after Ethereum moving to proof of stake yesterday, so what I've done is I've shut down all my rigs, and I have started to clean my graphics cards which were not cleaned for a while. So this is the state of mining as we speak today. I think many of us are taking this time to actually do some maintenance work and things like that. So this is the current situation. So I will be moving from these open air frames to this tower chassis, right? That is here. I still have to move this up, and also I'll move some of my cards to this server case as well. So hopefully we should I'll be looking upon the next set of coins to be mining, and there will be upcoming videos on what are the overclocks for each coins. So that is what we are going to discuss in our upcoming videos. For now, let's look at what are the projects that we can mine, or proof of work coins that are present that we can mine as of now. And I will see you guys in a bit. So guys, we are back. So if you look at what to mine, right? Uh, this is my current inventory of cards that I have. It's a 3080, 3060 Ti, and 3060s, 2060s, and the 16 series cards, and then rest of the 4 GB cards. Right. If you look at the current inventory, this is how it looks. And the state of GPU mining post the Ethereum merge, which happened on on Thursday 15th of September, right? And post that, it's been about what, 5 days. 5 days. Today is the sixth day. Less than 5 days, and if you look at the current state of mining, all the profitability that you're looking at with this applies to my setup, and it can vary based on your power cost and your at that given point of time, right? So this is with my setup. Any coin that I mine, I'm losing close to about $5. So the profitability is showing in negative. So this applies to all the GPU mineable coins like Caspa, Zano, Shiro, Flux, right? Even Ethereum Classic, which is all the way down here, right? Before the merge. If you look, Ethereum Classic used to, with my 4 GB cards, that is 7 of these 1050 Ti's, right? I used to yield about 0. 0.1 ETC a day, right? Now the yield all consolidated together with that is about, let's say, uh, about 790 mega hashes. My yield of Ethereum Classic is 0.069. That's because most of the hash rates have been diverted to Ethereum Classic, especially the ASIC miners, right, which have had their firmware updates, and that has led to a spike in difficulty, and the yields have gone down, right? There is another thing. If you look, there is something called ETH POW, which is a hard fork of the Ethereum network. Before 24 hours before the merge, or before the merge, this was hard forked, and it was kept alive by the mining community. So you can actually, depending on what balance you have in your wallet, let it be Binance or
MetaMask, whichever it may be. If you have an active balance of Ethereum there, you will get equal amount of ETH POW free of cost. And I know that because I have received my ETH POW in Binance Exchange, on the Binance Exchange, right? So it is there, but it is a non tradable asset in Binance. To trade this, what you can do is you can actually go into gate.io or OKEX. You can transfer it from Binance to gate.io or OKEX, and you can trade these coins, or you can sell these coins. But if you look at the current rate, it is sitting at about $5.96. If you look on 20th of September, it had gone all the way up to $7. And let's take a 7-day average of this. And the highest price that we saw was, let's take a look, was about $50 per coin, and then it has taken a nosedive from here in the past few days, right? In the past week or so, it has taken a nosedive, right? And be wary, guys. I would not suggest mining this, especially if you're paying for electricity, or if you have free power, then it's fine, you can spec mine it. But be wary of mining this, because there is no white paper yet, right? And for this, and what is the use case, you need to have active developer community working on it to enable smart contracts, which we all know Ethereum is famous for, right? If you have an active developer community which is contributing to the growth of this particular project, then it might gain some traction. Right now, all big miners and mining community are watching this, but they are not actively mining it. You can consider spec mining, provided if your electric costs are really cheap. As of now, I am not mining it. You've seen my rigs. I've shut down everything, and I am going to do maintenance, and I'm going to wait and watch for what is to come. But as of now, if you look at it, it's in a very pretty bad shape right now. Nothing is profitable, and my strategy, what I'm going to do, how I'm going to continue to mine with my GPUs in the coming days, is for an upcoming video. So stay tuned for that. As of now, my rigs are shut down. I'm going to do maintenance on my rigs. I'm going to clean up my card, my motherboard. There's a lot of dust accumulated on them. I'm going to reorganize my space here. I'm going to move all my cards to the case, and the frame that server case that I've bought. So after that, I will decide on how to what to mine and which coin to mine. And typically the strategy that I'm going to take is going to be spec mining, right? That is what I'm going to do as of now. So this is how it looks, guys, for now. Everything is in negative, so you'll be losing a lot of money uh, if you continue to mine, and if you're paying for power, or if you're dependent on the revenue generated to cover your power costs through these coins, right? It does not look good. So with that, I conclude this video. That's all I have for now. If you like what I do, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And look out for more videos on what we are going to do, and what is my strategy going to be. I might not remain profitable in the long run, but like I said, that's for the next video, coming up video. We will discuss it then. We will also look at setting up the server case and the chassis that I have purchased for to move all my cards to from an open air frame to those enclosed chassis. So we will look at that as well in our upcoming videos. For now, that's all I have for now, guys. You guys, take care, stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, you guys take care. Bye bye.